Best side hustles to make $100 per day. In today's fast-paced world, many individuals are seeking additional income streams to bolster their financial stability and achieve their financial goals. Side hustles have become a popular solution for those looking to make extra money without leaving their full-time jobs. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or simply looking to enhance your financial freedom. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys and market research is an effortless way to earn some extra cash. Numerous market research companies and survey websites are eager to compensate you for sharing your opinions and feedback on various products and services. While the earnings may not be substantial, they can add up over time and help you reach that $100 daily goal. Freelancing and gig economy. In today's digital age, freelancing offers countless opportunities for skilled individuals to capitalize on their talents. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients seeking services such as graphic design, writing, programming, virtual assistants, and more. By offering your expertise, you can earn a significant income stream that can easily exceed $100 per day. Online content creation. If you have a passion for content creation, consider starting a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast. Monetizing your content through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or Patreon can generate a steady income stream, and as your audience grows, so will your earnings. Online tutoring and teaching. With the rise of e-learning, the demand for online tutors and teachers has surged. Platforms like BOOKKEEPING, Teachable, and Chegg Tutors enable you to share your expertise in various subjects or languages and earn money by providing one-on-one tutoring sessions or teaching online courses. Selling handmade products. If you have a knack for crafting, you can turn your creativity into profit by selling handmade products on platforms like Etsy. Whether it's handmade jewelry, artwork, or custom-made items, the online marketplace offers a broad customer base to showcase and sell your creations. Pet sitting and dog walking. Animal lovers can turn their passion into profit by offering pet sitting or dog walking services. Apps like Rover connect pet owners with trustworthy individuals willing to care for their furry companions, providing a rewarding way to earn money while spending time with animals. Renting out your stuff. Do you have equipment, tools, or other items sitting unused in your garage? Consider renting them out on platforms like Fat Llama or Loanables. This sharing economy approach allows you to monetize underutilized possessions and make money from items that would otherwise be collecting dust. Stock photography. If you have a passion for photography and a collection of high-quality images, you can submit them to stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Whenever someone purchases a license to use your photo, you earn a royalty, and those earnings can add up over time. Flipping items. The art of flipping involves buying items at a low price and reselling them at a higher price for profit. Scour thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces for undervalued items, and then sell them on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. With a keen eye and some research, you can create a successful flipping business. Renting out your car. If you have a spare car or find yourself not using your vehicle regularly, consider renting it out through car-sharing platforms like Turo or GetAround. These services allow you to lend your car to others for a fee, providing you with a steady stream of income while your car is idle. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for each sale or referral you generate. You can join affiliate programs through networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASO, or Commission Junction, and promote products through your website, blog, social media, or email marketing efforts. Mystery shopping. Become a mystery shopper and get paid to evaluate the customer service, cleanliness, and overall experience at various stores and restaurants. Mystery shopping companies like Market Force or Bestmark offer assignments that can earn you money while enjoying some shopping or dining experiences. Online focus groups. Participating in online focus groups allows you to share your opinions on specific products or services in a more in-depth manner than traditional surveys. Websites like Toluna, Vendale Research, and Pinnacle Research offer opportunities to join focus groups and earn higher rewards for your time and insights. Creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. People are constantly seeking to learn new skills, and if you can offer valuable knowledge, you can create a sustainable income stream. Language translation. If you are bilingual or multilingual, You can use your language skills to provide translation services. Websites like Django and Unbebel offer opportunities for language enthusiasts to translate documents, articles, or website content and earn money per word or project. Flipping domain names. Similar to flipping physical items, you can also flip domain names. Look for undervalued domain names with potential. Purchase them at a low price, and then sell them at a higher price through domain marketplaces like Cedo or Flippa. Renting out photo booths. Investing in a portable photo booth and renting it out for events like weddings, parties, and corporate gatherings can be a lucrative side hustle. Photo booth rental businesses are in high demand for capturing fun and memorable moments at events. Social media management. If you are skilled at managing social media accounts, consider offering your services to small businesses and entrepreneurs who may not have the time or expertise to handle their online presence effectively. You can manage their social media profiles, create engaging content, and grow their online following. Voiceover work. If you have a pleasant and expressive voice, consider offering your services for voiceover work. You can find voiceover gigs on websites like voices.com or Fiverr, lending your voice to commercials, audiobooks, video narrations, and more. Remote data entry. Many companies outsource data entry tasks, and you can find remote data entry jobs on websites like ClickWorker, Amazon Mechanical Turk, or Upwork. Though the pay may not be substantial, it can be an easy way to earn extra money in your spare time. Selling print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand services allow you to create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. When a customer places an order, the printing and shipping are handled by the service provider, and you earn a profit from each sale. Renting out your space. If you have an extra room, property, or parking space, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb or Spathero. Renting out space can generate passive income, allowing you to make money while you go about your daily routine. Remote bookkeeping and accounting. If you have a background in finance or accounting, consider offering remote bookkeeping and accounting services to small businesses and entrepreneurs. Many companies prefer outsourcing these tasks to freelancers, making it an excellent opportunity for a well-paying side hustle. Embarking on a side hustle is an excellent way to boost your income and achieve your financial goals. While it requires dedication, persistence, and hard work, the opportunities are limitless. Whether you choose to monetize your skills, time, possessions, or creativity, the best side hustles to make $100 per day are within reach. Combine multiple strategies, adapt to market trends, and stay committed to your goals, and you'll unlock your full financial potential. Remember, the journey may be challenging, but the rewards will be well worth the effort. So start today and pave the way for a brighter and more financially secure tomorrow.